Is it required for an enterprise, regardless of how small or big it is, to comply with holiday pay?
Under Article 82 of the Labor Code, yes. But those industries or enterprises hiring 10 employees or less are exempted from that payment of the holiday pay. However, they have to ask for exemption from the Department of Labor. But also, we need to distinguish yung kaibahan ng regular holiday at special holiday. Pag regular holiday kasi, bayad ang empleyado kahit hindi magtrabaho 100%. Pero pag special non-working holiday, no work, no pay ang policy natin. Pero kapag ka nagtrabaho ang empleyado, entitled siya sa additional 30% doon sa kanyang daily wage. Ngayon kapag ka ito ay natapat doon sa kanyang rest day at special non-working holiday, nagtrabaho siya, entitled siya sa additional 50% ng kanyang income for that day. So kailangan natin i-distinguish anong kaibahan ng regular holiday at special non-working holiday.